Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix Apple TV. There is a problem connecting for playback in 2026. Now your Apple TV needs a stable internet connection for streaming. So the very first thing that you need to do in order to fix this particular error is to simply check your Wi-Fi. You need to check whether it is working properly. If not, you can also restart your router and reconnect your Apple TV. If your internet is slow or if it is unstable, the playback may fail. Now, if in your case the internet is working fine and you have also restarted it and still the issue persists, then you just have to simply restart your Apple TV application. For that, you need to close the streaming app completely and reopen it. If the issue continues, you can restart your Apple TV device. This also going to clear all the temporary app glitches that block the playback. Now you need to also make sure that you are signed with the correct Apple ID. If your session expires, the content may not load. So you need to sign out and then sign back in order to refresh your account related connections. Also, if you are using any kind of VPNs or any restricted networks, streaming may fail. So make sure that you disable the VPN and then try again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.